Week 2 and week 3 is all about finding the white notes on the keyboard. So we've now worked on how you find your black notes. So just to recap that, there's a set of 2 black notes, little gap, set of 3 black notes, little gap, set of 2 black notes, little gap, 3 little gap, all the way up the keyboard. And actually, once you understand that this is just a set of notes that is repeated, it's not so daunting when you look at the keyboard and see so many notes in front of you, because actually it's just a pattern that is repeated. Now, if you are repeating those notes, if you're playing those notes up high, all that means is they produce a nice high sound, so if they're on the right, whereas if you're playing them down here, exactly the same notes, but just low down instead, okay? So to find our white notes, what we need to do is go back to our black notes. So, as I said, there's a set of 2 black notes and a set of 3 black notes, all the way up the keyboard. If you find any set of 2 black notes together, we call those the dog house or the dog kennel, okay? That's a dog house. Imagine those being the roof tiles. That's a little dog house here, okay? Whereas the 3 black notes together, we're going to call grandma's house, okay? 2 black notes, dog house, 3 black notes, grandma's house. Now, who do you think might live in the dog house? Well, of course, dog, which means that our 2 black notes, the white note between it, will always be a D, okay? D for dog, all right? Now, that doesn't matter where you are on the keyboard. It could be here, it could be here, it could be here. It's always a D. So you find 2 black notes and dog lives in the middle of the dog house. Okay. Now on the left of dog lives cat. So you've got C. On the right of dog lives elephant, which is an E. Okay. And again, that can be anywhere on the keyboard. So we've got C and E here. We've got C and E here. We've got C and E here, okay? So now we've found our cat, dog, elephant, our 3 notes surrounding our 2 black. To find the next notes up, this is grandma's house. Now grandma lives in the middle of the house, so grandma lives here, okay? And she's in her house making apple pie, all right? In her house, so this is her house here, she's got her front door, and she's got her back door. And all of a sudden you've got the notes of the keyboard, okay? So you've got grandma's house. Grandma G lives here. She's making apple pie, A next to her. And that's her front door and that's her back door. So when we're saying our notes together, if you're starting at the set of 2, it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Then what happens next is it just starts again. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, etc. all the way up the keyboard. And that's how we find our white notes.